Get comfortable. Close your eyes and just slow your breathing down. Bring your attention to your breath. And just notice the pace of your breathing. In this meditation, I want you to imagine the scene of a person trying to walk with a very heavy bag on their back. And imagine this person is walking up a steep hill and they've been walking for a long time. And over time, the bag that they've been carrying for such a long time has just become something that they have almost forgotten about. It's something that's just there. They've gotten used to it. They've been walking for such a long time on this uphill walk, carrying this really heavy bag. Imagine you are that person. Now, you come to a point where you just feel like taking a break and stopping for a while. And this really heavy bag that you've been carrying on your back, just imagine yourself taking off the bag and putting it down. And try to feel what that relief feels like to simply let go of all the weight that you've been carrying. Your body will feel lighter. You'll feel relieved that for a moment you've allowed yourself a chance just to take a break. And you'll really just savor that pleasant feeling of unloading, taking off that very heavy bag and putting it down. And for a lot of us, life is like this. We carry in our minds a lot of burdens, all the things that we worry about, all the thoughts that we have, all the duties and responsibilities that we have to fulfill. And when it comes to meditation, we don't know what we're trying to achieve. And to start with, I want you to treat meditation as simply allowing yourself a moment to let go of all the heavy things that you've been carrying all your life and simply put them down. They're not going anywhere. We're not doing anything with them. We're simply putting down, letting go for a moment, all the things that worry you. And you just give yourself a moment to sit back, to relax, and to feel lighter. We carry around the things that worry us. We carry around all the difficult things that we have to do during the day, all the tasks that we have to complete. And when we're meditating, what tends to happen is that you try and make achieving some bliss of meditation another goal that you have to achieve. So rather than letting go, rather than lightening the load, we make meditation another thing that we're carrying, another thing to put in our bag, another responsibility that we need to fulfill. Rather, we should treat meditation as not trying to achieve something, but simply giving ourselves a moment to let go. The more things that you can put down, your future worries, your problems in your life right now, all the things that have happened in your life that you're not happy with, all the people who have been unkind to you, all the ways in which you feel you've been mistreated in life. We're not doing anything with those. Right now, allow yourself the opportunity to simply take it off your mind and put it down. Notice that you're not trying to achieve any sort of bliss. You're not trying to find any kind of enlightenment. You're not trying to meet any kind of God. You are letting go and being free for just a few moments. And enjoy that freedom. The more you practice this, the more you will realize that you are carrying so much in your life. And as you go further and further, you might realize that even your own sense of self is something that you're carrying. Imagine that person carrying the bag. They've put the bag down, and now they realize that there's a nice patch of grass right next to them, and rather than standing, they feel like lying down on that grass. And in the same way, you are perhaps able to let go of your worries, but are you able to let go of everything that you are identifying with? Even the me, the I am, allow yourself to put that down for a few moments and be free. And behind even the I am, there is something which is peaceful and still. As though you get a moment of clarity that you thought you were carrying the bag, you thought you were carrying your own body, but really it was the mountain that you were climbing, the hill that you were climbing, that was doing all the carrying. That was carrying your body, that was carrying you and all your burdens. So for a moment, don't be the individual, be the mountain. Be the one that is behind everything. Let go of as much as possible. Whatever feeling you have, don't analyze it, criticize it, judge it, or try to solve it. Just put it down and take a moment to rest. We talk about enlightenment, but part of enlightenment is feeling lighter, being lighter, not being burdened with the heavy load of the self, our thoughts, and our worries. Bring your awareness back to your breathing. Take a few deep breaths in and out. And when you're ready, bring yourself back and open your eyes.